So with this green, we start from this point with the tape and go down. It is a layout on the theme of connections. It is obvious that the theme of connections is a key element in our everyday life. We are always connected in one way or another. This is an exhibition where we examine the concept of the connection between the painting and the wall and the painting and space. To the concept of connections, I have tried to add another which has a highly philosophical essence, Cartesian, res extensa. It is not intended as a tribute to Descartes, to the relationship between a three-dimensional world and the thinking person which I am, which we are. I thought of it, above all, as an idea on what space is for us now, extended in many directions. So, Iler's idea on connections, the idea of imagining the work as an extension, seemed to me a point of contact which has to be made clear from the onset, from the title. We move in a world of extensions.
Noi ci muoviamo in un mondo di estensioni. Questo è tutto fatto, questo pure.
The whole project has been created by the artist with the help of Andrea Basciu, a student of Venice Academy, created without allowing for margin of error. So here we have the color on the inside and its extension is the external structure. Whereas in that case, the extension of the color occupies the whole installation, incorporating the sculpture which is connected to the wall. Another thing that I can say regarding my work is that it is based on the principle of form and its concept of creation as the possibility of evaluating during the working process the actual method of working. Therefore, as the work enhances, elaborating objectives and constrictions, it also discovers unthought of lines which emerge during the working process. Not everything is derived from simple intuition or idea. The idea requires real work through which we discover what we had not priorly conceived. In this sense, art finds its reason to exist, because it becomes a field of experience. For this reason, it is inconceivable that it be reduced to the mere contingent, but rather to the necessary. I believe that art is still one of the most authentic ways of adhering to reality, because it needs a field of experience. With art, one cannot lie. This is all I can say. Thank you.